little bit.
In the middle.
Nah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I can. Hello guys, hello. Mosh. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing Ruth's haircut.
My corona haircut.
Yeah, because the shops are closed because we're on lockdown now. So I'm gonna be doing his haircut. It's my first time to do this one, so I don't know how it's gonna look like.
Just try.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Wait. So, are you ready to do?
Yeah.
Where should I start first? Here?
Up. Yeah, that's the longest. On this one. On 23. And then we just see. Yeah.
Like I have to like make
Shall I do it myself?
really close to your skin?
Yeah, but that's
Do
the
you
thing.
stop?
It can because there's a distance. It's 23. See? Kijk, the closer you set it, see? The closer is to my skin.
Okay.
That's why this one is like a ball.
Wait,
You see?
I'm not gonna turn it on first, Papa. Wait, sorry. Okay. Not yet. So, like really close here? Like that?
Yeah. Yeah, the closest to my skin.
So I have to do this one?
Yeah.
Ah.
And then on 23. That's the highest one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah. I'm so careful.
Wait, sorry. Can you see in the mirror? I can see
A
it.
little bit. Yeah, I can see.
Like that?
Yeah. Camera.
Salamat, Madam Sheila. This is from Sheila. Barola sa mi siya.
Yeah, Gie's gonna clean it before you get it back, of course.
Yeah, when Sheila did my haircut, she left this one. So many. Think I'm gonna sleep outside tonight.
I think too.
Mirabe.
Yeah, just turn it on, just try. I'm not carebang, you see. Even if I'm bored, I'm still sexy, so.
Get the peeler.
Yeah. Just try if it works.
Yeah.
It's right now on 19.
I think you need to make it closer to
You
the.
see?
Really slowly.
Because there's a lot of hair, yeah.
You don't wanna go bald, Papa. It's not much.
It's already going off.
Yeah?
I already see it, yeah. Here it's already shorter a bit.
Yeah, but it makes me see, it scares me because I think it's gonna cut everything.
Wait, I shall try, yeah? Now I put it one, it was on 19, yeah? I put it on 7, and then sideways.
Okay. Yeah. Careful, though.
Yeah. Nee, je kniet a bit one.
And I need one.
Yeah, it's short, high five. Check if hair's in wrong, otherwise.
I'll take a picture of it later so you
Yeah, that's good.
Alright, I can bring the mirror.
Yeah, sideways.
This one is really a lot, this one.
Yeah.
This one, no, it's okay. Just here. Yeah. This one is okay.
Oh, this is already okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not sure I did it right.
Yeah, we'll see that later on.
Maybe we put the shift there's nothing to go.
Yeah, we'll see. Till this time maybe. 7 and this up 13.
Okay.
I will see. We can always do a little bit cutting.
Here.
Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
This can be a little bit off in my sideways, see?
Yeah.
But then I take it off like here in my neck and my back.
Okay. Wait. I'll take a picture, Boangate.
Yeah,
Yeah, because I don't know what I'm doing.
yeah, just take a picture. But here, see, this one can be away.